Hello folks, I've been driving Bugsy now for almost a year, so I think it's about time I fitted a speedometer. So this is the Speedo I currently have fitted to the car. It doesn't work, it just fills a hole. However, Gary Collins was kind enough to donate this monster. He was going to throw it out, so I thought I would give it a shot, see if I can clean it up and make it work. Now, it does actually work. It's also got this linkage at the bottom for the gear selector notification, but I'm not going to use that. I like it, but to hook that up to the cable for the shifter would just be too complicated. It's also a fair bit bigger than the one that was in the car. I'm wondering if I can dismantle this and put the internals into this, and then I won't need to widen the hole on the dash. But let's start with taking this apart, see what we've got to play with inside. We'll take them both apart actually. Well, that went better than expected. Now, wouldn't it be awesome if the Speedo that I want to use fits into the housing that I want to use? I mean, it's looking good from here, but let's see what happens if it fits. This really would be great. Which way around? This way. Almost. I think all I really need to do is enlarge this hole in the back so that the clip goes through. It's worth a shot, right? Well, the plan almost worked. Looks pretty nice in there, but the problem is the glass. If I was to put the glass on, it's actually going to hit the needle and not move. So what I'm thinking is, I mean, this fits nice, right? That clips on nice and it works. However, as I say, if the glass is on, it's going to hit the top of the needle. But what I'll probably do, I'll trim down the glass or get a piece of Perspex and I'll lay it inside there. Rather than coming in from the back, it will lay in there, but it will sit in this ridge. That'll be a wee bit tricky to do, but I think that's what I'm going to do. However, for now, let's stick it in the car and go for a wee drive, see if it works. First time I've ever had a Speedo in the car. I'll get to know what speed I'm doing. There we go. Fitted. Doesn't really need glass, but the car's not exactly waterproof, what with the lack of windows, so I will get some sort of sealing in there. Right, let's go for a spin. In case you were wondering why I didn't just use the other Speedo, the housing in the Speedo that I've taken the parts from was a fair bit bigger than the housing of the original, so I would have to enlarge the hole in the dash, and I don't really want to do that. There we go. That's that explained. Oh, please work. Just going to let it warm up for a wee minute so it doesn't conk out on the way down the drive. Okay, that should do it. Let us go. Movement. We have people in the middle of the road. We have trucks in the middle of the road. Just doesn't want me to test this. Right, here we go. Come on, people. Because it changes into third and 50. Do you want to see? Right, hold on, let me stop. Looks good to me. Fantastic. Only took me 10 months. The only problem I have now is trying to explain to the MTO, the Ministry of Transport, how I've managed to lose 30,000 kilometres in the space of a year. I'm sure that happens all the time with these sort of cars. Anyway, still working. See you at the house. So there we go. I now have a working Speedo, thanks to Gary Collins. He was going to throw something out and I made it work. Kinda. Parcel. Not today. Okay, thanks for watching, and thank you to all my lovely patrons. If you want to grab a membership, helps me out a lot. Patreon, by the way, in case you didn't figure that out. Right, I still need to figure out what I'm going to be doing for Halloween, you know, for the kids. So far, we've got as far as like skulls and a sort of zombie gangster costume, but we need to go bigger, so leave your ideas, comment section below. Oh, and also, click the share and the like button. Apparently it makes a difference to the whole analytics or something. Take care. See you in the next one.